morning, traders. Today, September 26th. Take a look at what we are dealing with on S&P. We are sitting at ultimate brick wall. This is the end of the minor trend. This is proprietary Fibonacci level that identifies the end of the minor trend. In order for the trend to have power, price needs to skyrocket drastically higher on this little barometer chart. This is a chart you learn to use in the course as your barometer chart that show you strengths or weakness of the trends. Since Friday close, we identify this as trend inception. This is hourly chart that show you ultimate trend inception. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room since Monday open. We identified all these levels as ultimate trend inception for the following week. This problem we have quite a pickle. This morning we are dealing with bullish weakness. It's all in front of you. Price is struggling. This is market open. We're only interested in bullish power, not bullish weakness. However, we knew extremely well that our bias remains bullish, as you saw spectacular reminders on Monday and Tuesday that shorting into reversal zone never ever an option. This is the reason I named this proprietary Fibonacci level reversal zone. The power of the method in trend inception. The power of the method is ultimate accuracy. If you play by the rules, it means ultimate profitability. It means ultimate stress-free trading. Simple. Price comes to reversal zone. Do not short. Monitor for trend inception. Rules are met. Take a trade, no matter what you trade. Bullish rally picking up this team, traders. Please pay attention what a stepping stone this is. In the course you learned that this is your key target, that you're moving your stop outside of break-even when this target is reached. Price collapses from this level 70+% of the time. Please pay attention to what will play out next. This is what price does every time. Absolutely no surprise what you're seeing in front of you. To the tick, key target on S&P in front of you. If price collapses all the way back down to reversal zone, it's a gift. This is ultimate accuracy, no matter what you trade. This is your investment decisions. This is what gold done 2017, 2018. This is exact same place where gold is now, where S&P dancing on your day trading charts. Identical twin formations. Never disrespect this as your target. Never short into reversal zone. Separate correction from reversal gold in ultimate corrective fluff, just like S&P had done on Sunday. All the same formations, all identical formulas. This is S&P on Sunday, just like gold. Will S&P collapse, just like gold had done? It would be such a gift for knowledgeable trader. to the tick, price forming exact same pattern, just like oil weekly had done. Take a look, which you will see the accuracy of the method next during oil news. This is oil. Skyrocketed from trend inception in 2016. Struggled at the end of the minor trend for over a year. Ultimate resistance became ultimate support. Oil in a whole lot of pain. Why? Simple. Bullish rally overextended. Oil reached institutional reversal zone. Oil struggled at decision point 2 for weeks and weeks and weeks. Knowledgeable trader never ever ever acquires position this late. If you're trading weekly, you earn significant profit and trailing closely. And this is reminder what playing out at decision point 2 every time, every day, on every trade. No surprise, market in pain. Do you want to trade with ultimate accuracy? Then give yourself a favor. Stop chasing indicators. Start paying attention to what indicators developed after, which is pure price. Master the strategies, apply Fibonacci levels, and decide what you want to trade. Formula remains the same. And that's what price does every single time, no matter what you trade. So if I bring to your attention Amazon, take a look. It's identical structure. Amazon sold off from reversal zone despite stunning earnings, time and time again, the entire months of August and September. This is Amazon now. Struggled at the end of the minor trend and reminding you, if you choose to acquire position outside of decision point 2, expect pain and torture. Buy as low as possible. This is your exits. Move your stop outside of break-even. And this is S&P 1-minute chart. Identical formula as on Amazon. No surprise. It's all the same. Identical price action patterns. S&P in a whole lot of pain, just like Amazon, just like oil. Not reversing like gold had done. S&P is simply frozen. In the next 35 minutes, you will see accuracy of the method in live markets on oil. When I will bring up this chart and will remind you. Ultimate trend inception on oil identified days in advance. This chart present in front of you since early September. Ultimate Fibonacci target is reached. Oil in a whole lot of pain. Been for days. This is crucial support on oil, identified weeks in advance. Cannot short into. Ultimate target became key support, not the place to short. We don't care what the news will be, all we care about is Fibonacci. As Fibonacci show you far in advance what price will do. We only respect news due to volatility. Nothing else matters. As S&P reminding you, this is not the place to buy. This is a place to exit your position. Knowledgeable trader always moves his stop outside of break-even. Crash and burn S&P all the way back down to reversal zone. Remind everyone how crucial to respect Fibonacci target decision point 2 is, no matter what you trade. Take a look on what's been playing out on bonds, chart present in front of you for years. Bonds sold off from reversal zone 2017. Bonds staged ultimate war zone the entire 2017, reversing from reversal zone. This is bonds 2018. Ultimate pain, ultimate nightmare, ultimate reversal zone dance with ultimate decision point 2 as key target, as key resistance. No surprise where bonds sold off from. Bonds been frozen at key support second week in a row. You using this chart, you are holding position for weeks, months and years. As an investor's position trader, as options trader, identical dance in front of you in the trading room on S&P. It's all the same. Master the method, identify what you want to trade. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. Market waiting for oil news. Market reminding you, knowledge is power. Go to the source. Do not block your vision with indicators. What I share with you in the course is 10 years of work with pure price. Not one of my charts, 40 plus charts in front of me, have any indicators. That's what I teach you in the course. How to trade indicator free using rule-based method, pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else matters. Only price and Fibonacci. Go to the source. Go to what indicators developed after. Next class starts October 1st. Please review all the information under Learn. Most important part of the website, always in forever, what students have to say about course. Students from beginner to hedge fund manager. Learning the method in US and globally since 2011. Pablo holding the bar for everyone extremely high. If complete beginner trader can do it, so can anyone. If complete beginner trader can play by the rules, so can anyone. If you would like to watch YouTube channel, please click on YouTube. Thousands of videos posted. If you have any other questions, please review the information on the website under About the Method and Learn, and do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As S&P collapsing in front of you and reminding you, only Fibonacci can give you this much accuracy. Nothing else ever will. So pretty please, stop chasing indicators. Stop using instant gratification. It's never a recipe for success. Master pure price. Use Fibonacci. Nothing else matters. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. That's what course all about. If you're trading with a trend, this is your key target. Never disrespect decision point 2. Never acquire position outside of decision point 2. Doesn't matter what you trade. It's all the same. This is exact same chart from 2016 on S&P. Do you remember S&P at 2300? Do you see 2400 next? Are you surprised? But let me remind you what happened on S&P before S&P skyrocketed to 2300. This is what played out first. It was 2200 level. Ultimate brick wall. The end of the minor trend. It's all the same, traders. This is a stepping stone. This is exact same formula. Use Fibonacci levels and Fibonacci strategies on anything you choose to trade. Choice is yours. Identical formula applies across the board. And that's what you're seeing in front of you every day in the trading room. Ultimate accuracy. If you play by the rules, ultimate profitability on any instrument you will choose to trade. Has S&P been frozen here since the market opened? And what you will see on oil news next is ultimate reminder that the only thing that matters in the market is Fibonacci. As S&P collapsing just like gold had done in 2018, reminding you, knowledge is power. Reminding you, nothing else matters. Always respect decision point 2 as your key target if you trade with a trend.